Welcome to Electrical Stuff. This is a channel where you can learn the electrical knowledge in building sector. Today's our topic is lights operate without traditional cables or wires. Yes, you hear correct. How we are going to do this one without traditional wires? How we can operate the lights? This is our topic. Watch the video till the end to understand the concepts. Let's see what is the traditional wiring, how we do the traditional wiring. In traditional wiring we require the distribution boards, absolutely we require distribution board. Then we required wires. From the distribution wire, these are the wire cables. Then it will be going to where it will be feed to the final our light fixture. This is how we are going to do the traditional wiring. So after everything installation, the final our home, it will look like this one. Okay, this is how traditional wiring. Now in this video I am going to show you surprising things, amazing things. Without these wires we can illuminate the lights. Let's see how. So before that we will be see why we need this technology, what are the advantage by using this technology, we will be see. So by using this technology there is a cost and energy we can save. How means there is installation cost for traditional wiring is costly compare with this type of wire, with this type of installations, and means installation cost is high as well as operational cost is also high in the traditional wiring. But if in this type of installation you can save the money, installation cost as well as operational cost. So your power bill will be less. Second thing, this type of installation is very easy to install compare with the traditional wiring. And sure, if one and two cost, you can save cost, energy is installation, then you can save the lot of money as well as maintenance also is very easy. Then this is operated ESLV, so there is a there is a no or less chances of shock. In traditional wiring, if you touch the phase wire you will get the shock, but in this there is a no shock. That's amazing, correct? Now secured, yes, your system is secured. Nowadays everything will be connected into the internet, so these type of network also will be connected with the internet, and there is a secured with this type of installation is secure. And this is a central operated, so with one mobile you can operate with easy control. In this type of installation there is there we don't want any switches required with this type of installation. So with all these things you're eagerly waiting what is this, correct? I don't want you wait much time. Let's see what is this technology, new technology. That is nothing but PoE lighting. What is PoE lighting? PoE lighting is power over Ethernet lighting. So you provide the internet cable or Cat6 cable to the light. With this one you will operate your lights. You not believe? I will show you the schematic diagram now. Let's see the schematic diagram, how this architecture is working. So basically in this one we required, this is a PoE switch. Okay, we connect the power to the PoE switch. That is initially we required to give power supply for this PoE switch. Then from here you will put Cat6 cables, and then you have a driver. Usually each every light will get the driver. After driver then it will be connect to the light. That's it. Similarly n number of lights you can connect like this. Then if you require sensor, these sensors are you can operate, for example, like huge offices, hotels, or shopping malls. You can put these sensors so that if there is no people are there, these lights automatically off. Nowadays, with the new technology, these lights itself have a inbuilt sensor. If people are not there, it can be off. Second thing, these can be connected to the central PC and we can be monitor how our energy is consuming. Everything like intelligent details, system architectural data, everything we can be captured from this PC, and it can be operated very easily with a mobile device. So with the mobile device, you can on and off the lights. You can minimize your lighting from 0 to 100%, means you can dim your lights 0 to 100%. So it's something is I think you feel that this technology is nowadays they are using. So let me explain you little bit more what is PoE switch. PoE switch, it is actually it is a power over Ethernet switch. We're giving incoming power supply and it will be give almost 44 to 57 volt DC. So some few switches will get 90 volt DC also we are getting. So as per the standards, IEC standards, there is a voltage 35 volt AC or 60 volt DC. It is considered as extra low voltage. So this is extra low voltage. There is a no chances of shock. And this is a sample D-Link PoE which is shown. It is a 8 port gigabyte. So with this one, you can connect 8 devices of lights you can connect. Let me show you the how the driver or controller it will be work. In the driver you controller, it have a like this is what I show you PoE switch input. So from the PoE switch, one cable will be connect to here, this one. Then outgoing we can take RGB light. So RGB lights also we can take. Then LED light, if you have a directly patch cord is there, then it will be connected directly to this one. If there is no patch cord, traditional wiring also you can connect with this LED light port to pole, and you can reset. And this is N sensor port, means you can give the same driver, you can give the absence detector or presence detectors, okay, as well as you can connect the switch also. I will show you those things here. See this one, this is a traditional. If in the traditional wiring, just you will need to give, if there is a your light is there is no RJ45 connection, so then directly just these two wires you will be connect with this port. Just you will be bring this plug, it will be connect with this driver, so the system can be work. In nowadays I will show you the catalog of a light fixture. Nowadays there is a directly RJ45 jack is coming, just you will be plug and play with these lights. LED lights you can collect like this with this port. Then you can connect this switch as well as sensor with this port, as well as then from here PoE switch to Ethernet cable. This is this is all already explained in the schematic diagram. Then let's see the lighting catalog. In this lighting catalog, you see this is the lights. It look like now all normal our traditional lights only. There is a no. What is the specialty of these lights are? These have, if you look at that input voltage here, this is a PoE dot CC, means these can be operated PoE switch operated. I mean this can be operated through Cat6 cable, you know. And then what is the voltage of how much voltage required for this type of lights? 8 volts or 12 volts range we can be give the power source for this one. If you give the 8 volts for this particular light, it will produce 640 lumens. If you give 12 volts for these lights, it will give you 900 lumens. So This is the how much lumens we will be achieving the lights. uh, Lumens, what is a lumens, lux levels, I explained many videos in my past. Just have a look in my videos regarding to understand the lux level calculation, how to do, what is lumens, what is k value. Detailed I explain in my previous videos. Just go and watch the videos. So coming to this particular light, so these type of lights can be fixed in our homes. Okay, so with this type of lights, there is a, for this particular light we don't require any driver, inbuilt driver not required. Just we require the driver or the which we are using the in control driver. I mean, just what I show you earlier, this driver only we are using. Okay, so with this one I hope you understand the how the lights and how we are using the catalogs. I mean, how we are using this new type of technology in our home. With this type of PoE switch operated lighting, we can not only connect the lighting, we can connect our CCTV cameras, we can connect our TVs also. So TVs also you don't need require any power. Just we can just with the PoE switch we can give the power supply to the TV. It means complete solution. With this one we can connect complete our home with just these Cat6 cables. That's it. You can, everything will be under your in mobile control only. That's the video. I hope you enjoy this video. For this particular video, you have any doubts or any your suggestions or your inputs, please type in comment section. I read all the comments. I will answer all the comments. uh, Thank you so much. Good day. Bye bye.